Hi guys, and welcome to a new Retrowheelz video. It's a beautiful day. We have some beautiful cars standing outside, so this week it's going to be good. The Mk1, the Cabrio, is almost finished. We just put in the new front windshield. Now we are cleaning the interior so that one can be put up for sale later this week. Then we need to finish off some wheels, and some more wheels got dropped off. So it's promising to be a busy week again. Now I'm first off to the machine shop to get some projects on the way, some custom speed lines, some other custom wheels, so I'll take you with me. The machine shop. We're now machining down some RS faces. They are welded and now they are smoothened again. So the plan is to get these fixed, then we can re-drill them. One is still running. As you can see, and then we got a lot more work done. That's all for today. Now I'm going to load all in the van and head back home to start getting the sharp edges off, sanding some lips down, prepping everything for clear coat. We are back from the machine shop. Custom speed lines are already in the back, more on that in a minute. But first, a client is coming over with a Mk2 R32 swap. Since we don't know what the best size of wheels would be for that car, we already laid ready some lips, some barrels, and we start test fitting in a moment. Faces are already re-drilled to 5x100, so they are now a direct fit on the car. Now it's up to us to test fit it and discuss with the client what are the best options to go with.
Whoa.
And that's one test fit done. Now we know the sizes and now we can build a beautiful set of wheels. Up front there will be 8x16, don't look at the inner barrels, 8x16 with 1/2 inch outside lip. At the back also 8x16 but with a 2-inch outer lip. This will have as a result that we have a beautiful staggered look. Up front 1/2 inch lip, at the back a deep 2-inch lip. Now that we have our speedline faces back in a complete new look, it's time to finish them off before they can go off to powder coat. What's the problem? We have some little sharp edges here, some more here and some here. So we're gonna clear them all and then they can go off for a new color. We got some more wheels back from the powder coater. Some 14-inch Snowflake wheels for the Mk1, of course. Some RCs from a client, some 21-inch S-line wheels, a set of Lorinzers, and some more. We're now prepping them, then we are taking pictures, and then we can list the wheels online for sale. Now it's time to start at a polisher's worst nightmare. Let me show you guys. We have a BBS RS lip, but it's
No! God!
badly corroded.
No!
This lip has sadly enough also be sandblasted, so it will be a hell for me to get all of this out. But I'm getting started at it, and we need to have this one again in shiny as new condition, so let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Because this lip is so incredibly bad, we will start off with a grit 40. And that's grit 40 done. As you can see, all the bad corrosion spots are out of the lip. Now we need to sand it down until we are at a finish that we can polish it. And that's one heavily corroded, sandblasted lip done. Sadly enough, 3 more to go. Polishing done, so now we can build some wheels. My dad is also here, he's gonna help me. We're gonna start with the 14-inch, now 16-inch custom Snowflakes. And then we're finally found some time to finish the 17-inch 5x100 30 BBS RSs. My hands are still hurting from all that sanding of those incredibly bad lips, but it was well worth the effort. Just a beautiful set of custom Snowflakes is done. Then we finished off a 16-inch to 17-inch conversion of some BBS RSs, and then we have a set of BBS LMs. We did a full rebuild, and now we only need to mount some tires, and then that's another project that's done. sun is shining, life is good, and we have a beautiful lineup of cars. One more car we need to pick up now. It's finished at our spot repair. The Rallye Golf, it had some minor damages, but we're going to pick up that car now and then it can join this beautiful lineup. Very important update, we got ourselves back some Geuser Radlers. Those that don't follow me on Instagram, I absolutely love those. And I love to end my weeks with drinking one of these. Alex dropped me off a fresh crate, so I'm happy. Now I'm finishing off the Rallye Golf. I need to finish off the Mk1 Cabrio because in some hours we will leave to set up a little stand at a local car show. I'll be there displaying both cars that will be for sale and of course displaying some wheels. The Rallye Golf is back. Now it's time to finish the Mk1 Cabrio. Interior is done, outside is cleaned. Now we only need to mount these freshly diamond cut Snowflake wheels. And that's the Cabrio project finished. It's now ready to go to the car show, but I wanted to show you guys this. We have a dirty, completely original wheel. Then we have a fresh, refurbished Snowflake. And then we have our three-piece Snowflake. What a difference from the beautiful original one to the not so beautiful also original one to a custom three-piece. Cars are set up, stand is looking nice. We brought some wheels, we brought the Rallye Golf, and we brought the Mk1 Cabrio. As you can see, there are some more nice cars. Sadly enough, not really tuner cars, but that's okay. We are here every year, we enjoy it, we have some friends visiting, we meet some new contacts. It's a good show. And that's the end of another busy week. Everyone is cleaning up their stands, everyone is going home. I'm going to do exactly the same because I'm a little bit tired and I want to enjoy my Sunday evening. Thank you all for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please share, do whatever you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video.